How many times has this ever happened to you? You're playing video games during a lightning storm, and all of a sudden, this happens. Panic.
Why? I was so close and now it's dead. Oh, why?
And just an hour later, when you think everything is back to normal, it's not. Your console has been zapped by the lightning and has been rendered completely useless. But there are ways of saving your console from these sorts of things. Here's how.
Hi, I'm Owen Peterson. I'm here to give you some tips on how to avoid having your game console zapped by lightning.
If you're playing your game consoles during a lightning storm, please stop and unplug everything, including your game consoles, and then switch to handhelds for the time being until the storm passes over. If you happen to have a laptop, please use an emulator on there.
Please remember these tips unless you want to be left in the dark.